Alright, so I've been asked, okay, Pablo, I got a lot of files of a lot of different types in folder, or a lot of subfolders there, and how do I open them all at once? Because I don't want to go clicking one by one, and sometimes if you highlight a few and then hit enter, if they're not the same type, at least on Windows, it doesn't open them. So what you do is actually, you want to go ahead. If you're on Windows, and I am on Windows 10 at the moment, you do the Windows R key. You're going to type in cmd and then hit enter, and this will bring up this lovely command.exe, which I love. And you're going to go cd to navigate to your directory. And for us, it's actually going to be this one. I'm just going to display the files and folders there. So there's some document, PowerPoint, Excel, some of the files I use typically. And we have a subdirectory here with a bunch of those. We're going to show you how to run all of these and open all of these at once. All you're going to do is take all of this stuff. And we'll explain what these are. And you want to make sure, highlight these, you copy, and then you go ahead and paste it in here. It's going to go through, it's going to loop through recursively, and it's going to identify the ones, and it's just going to open and keep opening them. See? Here are the two PowerPoints as well. And I would show the others, but I'm working on a few other things, and I want to be mindful of people's data, which I can't share. So now you're wondering, okay, Pablo, great. So how does this work? I just copy paste. Will it work for all types? Few key tips. One is you always got to get this bottommost blank line, because that actually runs this command. So when you paste in command.exe and you have a blank at the end, it will run the last command instead of doing this, which if you do this, it will not run 19. It'll just paste it. And then the second thing is, you see this extension? So this is recursively loop in the current directory and all subdirectories. And for what you find in there, that matches text as the extension, right? Because star is a wildcard for anything. So ABC, text, DEF, text, whatever. And then if it matches, then you're going to go ahead and just start it. And start is like if you were to double click on it in File Explorer, like most people do. So that's all this does. So if you do have other extensions, all you want to do is you want to add it to here. So like, let's say, I don't know, let's do this XLS. Let's say you're working with an XLSB for binary file. You would just do this. Boom. And when you run that, it will go through and recursively open. I cannot tell you how many times I get a ton of subdirectories and a lot of files in them, and I can't. It would take me like years to open, not years, but 50 of them. But when you do this, everything opens at once. I would restart your computer if you're dealing with like 100 files, because it does open everything.